How you going, Jack?
How you going, Jason?
Yeah, so I got onto Jack from SnapSolar to look at our solar for our house, and eventually after a lot of conversations he mentioned about batteries, and we ended up going with the BYD. I think there's 4, isn't there? 4 batteries. Okay, because we're out away from Mackay, when a power line goes down from an accident or any issues, we lose power, and it usually takes a while to get it back on. So the driver for us was to be able to, power goes off, battery kicks in, and we don't have to get up. Usually we have to get up, call Ergon, they send a team out. So usually you're looking at an hour, 2 hours in the middle of the night. So if it fixes that problem, we're going to be happy as. The hardest thing is that just no one really understands what they do, how they work. You look at the internet and there's a lot of false information. So you were able to steer me in the right direction, I suppose. But I think as people learn more how it works, it'll become more common. Yeah, I suppose talk to friends. I've got quite a few friends with solar, but no one had batteries. So I did a lot of study. I looked up a lot of things on BYD and inverters. But really you just need someone young and keen that's going to be around to fix it if we do have issues. So
I like it.
yeah, and that's why I went with SnapSolar.